Wenzo goche skuru apply loan inkonyorale karibu sana Kitutu Masaba elinde tuwege robo bundi bachaga tokonya asama tukagoche biamon
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga kose obakirisi migutara chilamba chabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068 ninjolero eyubwenyo lero bumanyi ubumurago konye asubagima obumakiaya.
Stariki na mirongo itatu mutinyi no yoga okano mwakano yobochirwe mirongo ibere ne tano nomo mwanchomo ligerelinde no kwege nambiyore andonsi asole na gukwanire abayigo gukwarigane kwanyora mungana maya ye kyunga chinsebere cyabo no butiko elitere ni Serious Nyakunde a sense milimo yelo ni Gary Wilson makole nago sabire tusukale. Uchaka hikyunga chinsebire nigo tugo chaka chinga kyabarai bagendete gweso kyaso obunge na gutuma amagomba abo gochiasi amate yanyagusira homungina Teresia Nyabuke omuke yole mamumu abo homo senator we county ya Kisumu ske licha Maimonyoka igobono yolengo mugavana we county ya Kisumu ske Chimso Malibongwae abero yobwangoiga gutuma amagombae weteraseli uko homuskungwae igarura magomba yegochia hasomo senator Onyonka amo ni amate yonsi chingage chigabagendete wetera makongu asogosira kwa mungina Teresia oigo muskungwa nigo amotogire homungina nyagosira Teresia una hekasi ni aye ya wata maskani kochi asa habanta bange. Ikiboigo habarai kurwa chingongo nigo bagendete kumulira homungina Teresia yule mamumu abo homo senator Onyonka ikiboigo hoyo chuli nyanja manyamo ereboigo hesokire na kumulira soko motoge kuna homungina werwete asokuru maskani gochi ase abantu bonsi
Erietano mheshimiwa Julie Nyanchama Nyamao Julie Nyanchama Nyamao no yokubole kirokyo gavana wa Kisii County 2027 nigo ngwirari bageri kubwatana na barai bonspi imena isiko ya Gusii igere kwa umosike umuseneta Mumema Onyonka engore nene chingaketi cy'ubukendo umosike seneta nabeto Gusii mamu mwabo na intuna bagusii andonsi ese twabeta igotogote bapoye omongino no mongina gwirwanirete nande akarwanira abana bae nande akabasomi banyare gwetenenera na kwerigiti igo abangi na bengenjo muno mongina Teresa babeire kero karidie kia guchiza abangi na bande ime ya Gusii na nje muno mugabana uganyereire igo kwirari bageri goteba pole nene ese mwamu Gusii yonsipi asugusiri omongina gwengenjo omongina Teresa tige nkoro yae etimoke no marembe ne family tige twaroboremu nonye obogima bwabeire obokomu na ndo bwenge nigongo tebye family yo museneta Mumema Onyonka no toreamo ase chinga kiti cy'obukendo mpaka twa ene kirina omongina wa masikani mungina bwingenjo Teresa obeire okwenigwa na masikani yaye abene.
Gati yabonchirime yomuchokoroka hawanene bakorera obonchiro bwabo ase kaunti ya Nyamira nigo besokire na kwemurunganeria ogokonga kwerigore ryobogima ukwana nabariki nigo baganirwo muraibense kweyeria kwese kunyura abari bokonyora wainsa sensa muyende nigo bamwakere mbiya umwana siasa Victor Swanyogeto ngambiya hasobokonyi habairega kubwatoka gotia sebali muri kitombo kapokara norobotirwa sinchira yobikirano
egati yabonchiriria baigana nene bale yabonchiriria habo bonchiriria bwebintu biri bike kurwasa umuchigo keroka nigo besokire no kubwatoka ebirengerere byabo kubwatekanamo ninchiro bugima bogendrete gokonga kira chingaki
ebiasara byabo nigambi kongete ebyamatuka mayigambi yalengo boni gegiasara kera kinge kongete pi dalinga no nyono koni nabango bakuruma binanyo nangone tibaka marako ba 50 biasara biro bimbijo pinpigwete yani uchumi gere enkongupi biasara biro bimbijo ikoto yani biro bio epati ogende koragera epati ogole sukale biro mwa biro bimbijo pina ukani ekiagara nabakoni onyoro ni tipo sera matunda ayemi iro kalito kole chiro bone mie nero kwera nyoma nero kubolera bana motoriro ebitume bya kerota bwati igotori konyora egetuma gyakongire korunaro ke bitume bigochera ebitume okonyora ko bya getuma egikirita 20 ko kwetura smart sim 500 kwanya egikirita 25 ntabire ngoko neli mwana inchi achako kulika ocho nyole bese aroge ntunge jora nyare ko bagokonya
ko ni chinchu amatunda biskuti le vitamtam no tatige bintu bya kongire rendo bonjoro rwa kongire ebintu bya mente tamago
Kulingana na barabo nigo baganire serikali gusegasigira engane yiga elio barabo abanyene konyoro mweso inyorekane ngani go bagendete gwetera engai enene
bona baria banene no barato borie serikali nagi abantu abayiga balenge inse no lyo manene otebete ngama mboga ngire nganchire kyara to imukigoro ekiagara bona ndi tokende to kuchandika mono oetani no nyengeria atebete to eguntoiri ntonyore tato eti bona ngiro biasara kitokora ekiagara no president na ya to imukigoro ekiagara na yariete ira egaeta egateba ngana nyara ko to imukigoro na to imugeti tato imugeti go bona to chandike stiri
Kulenda sense muyende mbali neki bakwegokeria kubatikana muno gusiro koko egwa mabuli ayo aratukunyara kabaga kubatanga kurwa sempura na bego no basomo nene kurwa somo na siasa kurwa se kaunti ya Nyamira Senator Victor Swanyogeto yendo kulengana muno roba mwakere ngambi ya muno ase kerengerere kyuko mbwatokera amabuli ayo arabe mbole guchase bale
tokore ne limo isimi weto ngambi ya muno kanya nyole mbure kanya gututwera gatagwatimia furi atakonyire
na bono muisa kulike limaiga konye ngo itu omugaso na igoro na ale ngo tweru go tweru kene na bato meteli ibuli at least keroka kero mongina na nyorete libuli bangina ba minto abagaka ba minto na basaye chensi anjama konyo mugaga Victor Swanyogeto
abagambi buna butotagete se Nyamira dali abagambi baraire twachandika bato tiga tuchandegete enchera ansire twarorire naro mwerekesho muye tigache nanda ba murachi reflector chinyinge elinde twarorekana stogo tara no eliribo tukochia mesa ntogo tuwo mukurumaye
nigo boigo egataba onchiriria abega bagendere ko bakobotoko baseme bwabo uchasaba Kenya kwene kimwango bachora bale abarai nanene abu barabakonye chingaki bagwetera engai inyorekane nga niga matuko amake atigarete osio bokogenda sobochori obunene ubu burakorekana umwaka kiri 2022 ne 5
abana inchi ngo babolia chikura chabere irange muyaligani aba moligere biya moralenga maroro nara lingo bwate liso tokwa chikura oraturusi sekora twachande
iginko report rigetase kyo wanchete kya gatembe kuroiga ase chinseme chiga chomo chokeroka oyo ole imeye county akisi amone county ya Nyamira inchego nkoro kwa Polycarp okara
Yamuno mulikito Polycarp okara soro botiuru bakole mirimo bechinyagitali gati aba banyagitali nigo baburiwe wikirana chinsa chibwenete ase mirimo heligo kinyo bokarali bobogwenya ase chinyagitali aniga kwanirwe no muwaziri wabachenu Nyamira Dr. Donald Mugoyi uyiboigo tairubuna ni serikali ye county Nyamira bagendete kuriga chinchira chokoleta chimashini cyo chira chikoro kichinga ky'abanyagitali wawikirana hemirimo naboigo chingaki bagosoka nigo muwaziri Mugoyi hagendere kubolia abantu banyamira kero yo mukweli kyasomuru bili bobugwenyosha asikilia tebuna hase bali barachi kwelikia munasha niko boigo barachi konyoro bwororo konyora murigo wetera somurobero ya serikali ya Nyamira barachi kubeka asokwene kibuna chinyagitali chonsi wetanie meyemo inchibwate amariogo na barachi kokonyekana marioga yo baliboka bairikire no murobero sha
Pareta Dr. Donald Mugoi nambe ona ote abantu baitu wa Nyamira na itukuria chumane twa nyara ko batogo flag of Mariogo mugaba na nyara ko flag of Mariogo yagenda monastic sub county hospitals chito na wiki yegocha tuganyita ayandare ntu yoko genda chi dispensary ni chi health center chito lakini anene mona Mariogo ya Uganda revolving drug fund yito ngatu kwandete igara benefit ya abantu abange bari baresha kerobu atasha ogenda se dispensary yito ogenda se health center yito nigo okwa Mariogo yuno na sinyigitari yito ya Nyamira rifara sub county yito chons igota kero ruali kuna ndo wa Mariogo yu asebusa ikegera shana be gutwakana lakini igo onye tubu atisha then go igato to chaji asichibezo akane wetera Mariogo yekero akwa dispense kuchia sori igo no waji kero monto wabo idugutumia chibe sinyigitari uswabo idugo koni bintu byabo egero nyarko bagukurwarirwa tafadhali register na SHA naende ekero ko register na SHA wakikishe buna kwa bikorero into kurunga means testing ote bigwe premium yawe ne chibese irenge onyarko bagugwakana ekero wakanire SHA kogoche nyagitari yaito nande ngabona totebira Mariogo cyari utokanye gitari cyito igura nyarko bagukurwarirwa bosa nando egwa Mariogo na mbaibere no goteba chinya gitari cyito kitekere chichi dispensary dispensary tekere ko usambili onye no gosiye kunsa 11 health center ne chi referral hospital ne chi sub county hospital e chi chira open 24 hours meaning akireta gekawo kwa ndoro tekere kwa nyoru munyagitari ukurwari no gwacha baro y'abanyagitari baito chinasi cyito bari bakora chi dispensary tafadhali go ikese gasi saa 2 tali saa 5 na boni ganto ngendo tukobeka chi system ya digitization system ya digitization ego chakobe koro kibucha ko so mugabana na kero muntu chisaire ngo muntu ikegasi ikiagara ngwa kwa ikegasi kwa clocking uswa click system ngeli immediately ya koro kinga kwa igore nyagitari yawo igonto tege tuanze komana tuanze ko sukumana tuanze ko punish muntu tuanze ko discipline muntu aso wekegasi late ikegasi chizi digitakire egero konya abantu baitu.
Waziri wa chiseme Julius Migosi ogamba igara umurobero babaroki gwetani chirubinye kurwa Kishi National Polytechnic bekorwa chigutu hase chikosi hengana aisegeta sokwelika megayo kanyora amasomo bune serikali igate bune school fees hase chiskuru chobo bundi nigo yeikirwe goika chirengi chiribu 55 muri kitodi bune asanya orobotira senchira yogoikirano.
Allow me to extend my warmest heartfelt congratulations to each and every member of the class of 2026. Congratulations and clap for yourselves.
Naso muyiga ogatano nalimo bwaborokigo gwetania chiriwinye litukulia lero babekirwa chigutwa sokonyora amaigelio ao anenase chikosi chobo bundi. Mujigo yigokolekana ase skuru ya Kishi National Polytechnic igora wano mwaziri wechisemi Omoske Migosi ogamba.
An unyielding commitment to excellence. Today, as you receive your certificates, your diplomas and higher diplomas, you join an illustrious lineage of Kishi National Polytechnic alumni who have gone forth to contribute meaningfully to our economy of this country, of the region, and globally, wherever they are working.
Ukwana ekerekyo niga kerekoko okwegera anene chikosi cha magoko asateba ensi ya Kenya nigo yabeire nelibaga ligia anene liugukine sekte jeiga abantu bange konyora na kwelika.
The TVET space in Kenya has expanded exponentially, with over 250 TVET institutions now operational and an enrollment exceeding 800,000. This remarkable growth is direct confirmation of the government's unwavering commitment to the provision of enhanced training opportunities for our youth and the achievement of 100% access to the competency-based education and training.
Gati ya baraibande baikirana asomo yegoyo no mukonyi wo mugabana we county ya Kisii Omoske Elijah Obebo uyu iraribaga ari omugabana we county ya Kisii igo aboria abantu bonsi kubwatesia abaroki wabaiga banyarire konyora amaigerio unenchira ya moyo kubasira eli banyare gwetenenera.
Let us all hold their hands till they are able to stand alone. Let us guide them, connect with them and with their destiny, and most importantly, together we build a desirable society to live in. As your governor, because I'm reading this on behalf of His Excellency the Governor, I promise to offer the much needed support to all the youth as I keep molding them to their bright future.
Omwario yemu waziri ogambaniga kwanera okogendera kulikwa kwa borokia ase chiskuru chobobundi unenchira yemo yogotingia sekta yechisemi naboigo asateba niga serikali yaberekego keya chibesa abebuli bagwakanira abana babo anena se chiskuru chokwegera amaigelio yechikosi chokoboko.
The government has listened to you, and effective May 2026, fees of all public TVET institutions has been reduced and standardized to a total of 67,189 annually. And this amount includes assessment charges. Apply your skills relentlessly to build industries, create jobs, advance innovation, and propel the prosperity of our beloved nation.
Rwaiga ase eskuru yobobundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic ime county ya Kisii liane gonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Bia mono mulikito Dipon Asanya sorgotiru na wikiraga bomwancho mulikilia tanyoro mwote mokomo keto koirana tugende ne kyongasi nchira yoboikirano.
Ne nubate korelia kondi wensi ebe nkulia kwe mekutano okorelia kugukwa kulia kukwinyulia kuseme yende yonsi oraganie eraliwe mono Getembe FM your station nero iridiuka eyubwate sigine ntindi na wigo ensera kirege tangaza munintwe asili gulidia maboko twakirisi migwetera senamba 0741499726 Getembe FM asa matangazo ana olegene. Amasomo nanine obumanye na buborairire omwana okogendera asa matuko ali busio ne aye omwibuli kwabire gukuriye sukuru asoraire omwana wo anyorera obumanye nanene wichikose chemaboko murete Keroka Technical Training Institute elio aibundusa chikosi igaiga ntubwate chikosi bunabono elia ya Building and Civil Engineering kubundisa tureboigo ekosi ya Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase ekosi ya Agriculture and Environment Studies ase ekosi ya Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician Level 5 na Level 6 ase ekosi ya Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosi ya ICT Technician Level 5 na Level 6 Igitumela ase nsema ya Community and Online Working imiheskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a Modern Library iyubwate bintu byonsi ibiraga nibigotumeka ali nayo kubundisa tule ekosi ya Version Design ase tubwate chimashini chekerero nkoyeli ya bale boigo Business Studies na entrepreneurship. Ngwigeli bali food production yani cookery na Boigo food and beverage production. Ase chinsamu cha cosmetology nigo tokwigeli beauty therapy miranga. Ase beauty therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi wekerero unabono hair dressing, pedicure, manicure egati ubumanyi bonde obunge. Boigo ntubwate kosi ya mechanical and automotive engineering ajirira moletu mwanu ainyorere ubumanyi wiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyu gatano egenderete ayirira eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munenu skuru asomo chokeroka nabo gwaka esimwe trase namba 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayirira na kwenyorera obumanye ili wibekeli bagari ya asense yiga yo kwerwanirira. Ine kwabiri gukorya road show track iyo bwate yogiriya iyo eratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate road show track experience neyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabiri gukorya track yiga ya road show iyo rakorere product launch use emesangerekano ya siasa brand activation use emesangerekano ya cooperative egatiye road show chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoretere track yibwateri bagariya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eryogiria nigo liri ya kigima eryo lichujugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwata chi DJ Janjere chi MC nabwigo track yana boko nyetumika asobo korera live performance nigo tokurwa obokorera wito chinsema abuna bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoneji county chonsi emergency ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street endionsi chingaki obunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimgwe trase namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange.
Karibu na inde humwanchumo likirelia. Mora ibinso muske William Ruto. Igene karibu na serikali nse yobura bwaye ni igende tewekerani hobokorero bija guchya sumwa na nchi. Gwana samatanga yokomwani tatu mwabo mwaziri wechipara Davis Chilichiri Edwin Koechi. County ya Bomet mora ibinse ni ga teruna ikanga ya yenene no kwene kuna serikali wekerani rechire echo yabete gekulira wananchi.
Kweli ni kwamba unga ilikuwa 250, leo unga ni 120, 140. That is the truth. Tulikuwa na gap ya walimu 1,116, tumeajiri walimu 1,100. That is the truth. Na sio walimu ni ghost, walimu wanajulikana. Barabara zetu zote zilikuwa zimekwama. Kwa ile mpango sisi tumepanga, contractors wote 90% walikuwa wamepotea, wamerudi kazini. Kilomita 6,000 Kenya saa hii inaendelea kujengwa. Mbolea ya wakulima ilikuwa shilingi 6,000 ikielekea 7,000. Leo mbolea ni shilingi 2,500. Tulikuwa na program ambayo tulizungumzia miaka yote ya housing, haiku take off. Kwa miaka mitatu tunajenga nyumba 1,240 ya Bomet ya Bomet hapa iko tayari ready na kuja kuhandover, alafu ingine 2000 inaanza kujengwa hapa. Sotik imeanza kujengwa, Kenya mzima inajengwa. Masoko, tuko na masoko 600 inajengwa Kenya. Hapa Bomet iko soko 11 tunajenga. Hostels ya watoto 180,000 inajengwa kwa hii Kenya. Hapa Kenya ile universal health coverage tulipanga na serikali ya Jubilee, ilipangwa na serikali ya NAC, ilishindikana. Hiyo universal health coverage leo tuko na watu 30.7 wamejisajili ndani ya SHA hapa Bomet. Na mimi nataka niwashukuru watu wa Bomet. Hapa Bomet ni county namba 2 Kenya mzima kwa kusajili kwa SHA. Nyinyi watu wa Bomet ni watu wa maajabu sana. Yaani nyinyi ni wale mnasoma barua ikiwa ndani ya bahasha hata kabla haijatolewa.
Chinga kijobarai wekiama kia ODM wekira naso muyigoyo bakoragwa na Gladys Wanga igoma togia serikali ya Broadbest kubwatikana na magendera yegendete gwikirani chinsemo chionsi ya Kenya. Barayebo nigo barira yogochia kugendera kubwatirana n'umurai bense asobochole ibore busio.
Sisi tumeona hii broad-based government ambayo wewe rais pamoja na the late baba mliweka pamoja, na tunaona ni kwa nini. I've seen comparison of figures, but somebody should also compare equity, ile maendeleo ambayo imeendelea katika kila kona ya hii nchi bila ubaguzi. Na sisi hatuwezi uziwa ukabila, tuuziwe uoga, tuuziwe utangamano, separation and division of Kenyans, because the broad-based government under yourself and my party leader now Dr. Oburu Oginga ni kuweka wa Kenya pamoja, every Kenyan, leaving no Kenyan behind, kila Mkenya asonge mbele. Na sisi tuko hapo, as a government we know where we've come from, we know where we are, and we know where we are going.
When I get back to Migori, I just want to finish. I want to assure you, Your Excellency, that in Migori, we are happy with you because your outreach to us is wonderful. Continue making the outreach you have. Those who are telling you, gathering many young people making noise, those young people that are gathered in that part of the world go to those meetings because of curiosity. I have been talking to a few of them. After that gathering, the excitement dissipates and nobody is no longer excitement. Wewe endelea mbele, tutafika mbele pamoja na Mungu atubariki. Thank you very much.
Kubaligwa nigo kwa rurwe gocha serikali anene kwenne kibuna watukere kibesa kisaine gocha serikali chi county ase chinga kichibonete bunenchire yemo yogwikirani umurubelio o devolution ukwana ime ya magachu yebunge ye senate omo senator mochore Catherine Mumba igaruro kubolia gocha serikali ya Broadbest gwikirani obokorero bya gocha sumana nchi.
I want to urge the government that we need to give more to counties, and to also urge the government to know, in my view, my humble advice to any national government that will be there, that the national government that embraces devolution best will actually develop this country faster. Because a lot of the service delivery that is required to trigger the economic growth are in functions that are carried out by county governments. So when we hold up the money and yet the development budget for national government is not more than 30%, we actually end up with the grumbling that is happening. We also need to get governors in a room to understand what their function is. They are not above the law. So we cannot go fighting as a Senate for them to get more money, and we hear governors assigning illegal MOUs to give conditional grants to the national government. on bursaries. An issue that the whole world, all politicians want to give monies to. The members of the National Assembly, the president separately, all these cards giving scholarships. What is in this bursary? We need a proper evaluation of that. And we need to surcharge the governors who've taken money that is little, instead of deploying to functions that they are actually assigned under the 4th schedule, who go to assign it to other issues. I want to ask the broad-based government. We now have the chair of budget is an ODM member. The CS Treasury is an ODM member. Raila Odinga stood for devolution. Raila Odinga had asked in his lifetime that 450 in the last financial year be sent to county governments. If you truly respect him, including the president, if you truly respect Raila Odinga, you need to know we need to give the 450 we should have been given in the last financial year, and we need to mark it up in this financial year, and I am asking that we mark it up to what the CRA has recommended in good faith. And let us find other ways of ensuring that we save cost on the largesse that is happening, to ensure that we find that money, and I believe that money is there.
Ikumbe kyobo joline chimbebe kia IBC niko kia watu kiroroboti watukana numurweli wa wananchi kweli kibuna ba kichukura hoyerete chitali kia mrongo 25 na 3 moti nyuiga orengana numu nyakiro kubikumbe kyo erasta siatekone igaterune kyombe kyo nigo kia begetekerengo kyo kuchwikirania wananchi chimilioni 2 chinuguta 5 aswano he kyombe kiyetanire wairi kia wananchi chiri milioni 2 chinuguta 5 nemo habaya inse murobeli ya matuko emerongetato.
Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, presents to the nation the outcomes of the enhanced continuous voter registration ECVR phase 1 exercise, which we conducted from 30th March 2026 and closed on the 28th of April 2026. The ECVR phase 1 constituted a structured, time-bound national exercise designed to accelerate voter enrollment ahead of the 2027 general election. The program integrated continuous registration with targeted outreach to enhance participation, inclusivity, and accessibility to all Kenyans. In implementation, the Commission operationalized 30,615 registration centers and recruited, trained, and deployed 12,520 registration officials across the country. And in terms of the technology, the Commission deployed 5,390 Kenya Integrated Election Management System kits, what we call the KIEMS kits. The voter registration exercise was rolled out in all the 290 constituencies, the 1,450 county assembly wards. It was also rolled out in 57 Huduma centers across the country. Since that time, up to 28 April 2026, when we closed the enhanced voter registration exercise, which we just concluded this week, we wish to report to the nation that IEBC has since then enlisted a total of 2.612725 million new voters. Let me repeat, 2,612,725 new voters. These are the newly registered voters who have joined our voters roll.
Sorbaturu Manjumu, Hirano, to Wikeromo, Wamana, Maye, Kyonga, Chinsevere, Chavana Butko, Kurangade Chikuraga Chinsenya, Ingiran and Kumanya Senchira, Yo, Wikeran, Witran, Seras Yakunde, Sense Moyo Mayo, Nigaling, very soon Makuna, Savira, to Arubul Geria.